Let me very sincerely, on behalf of members, thank the Court of Appeal for what they are doing for this country, especially for their efforts in ensuring that the rule of law remains the order in this country. We thank them for what they are doing for this country, and it's our hope that they will continue to serve this country in their capacity as judges so that our democracy can remain for the good of all. A lot of people have been worried, particularly with regards to the fact that the tenure of local government chairmen, vice chairmen, and councillors would elapse in a few days, and it's been impossible for RISEC to conduct elections to fill the vacancies. A lot of people have been calling on us to find out what the position is. But let's make it very clear here that the 10th Assembly of Rivers State has not received any requests from the governor to screen members of caretaker committee to fill vacancies in the local governments. We haven't received any such communication, and we believe that's in line with Section 7 of the 1999 Constitution as altered, which has guaranteed a system of local governments by democratically elected local government officials, that the governor will not send any list to us. We're not expecting any lists because caretaker committees are indeed an aberration. They are not allowed by the Constitution or by any known law of river states.